Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've already updated and signed in. Now start changing the theme. Open Zomato, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, and pause on the top options. Once you're in profile, make sure the app is not in offline mode and that notifications aren't blocking settings. This ensures the theme toggle appears. You're doing this because Zomato centralizes display options in profile for consistency across screens, so begin by locating the settings or appearance entry right away. You're in settings now, so locate appearance or theme, sometimes under display or app preferences. Tap it to reveal dark, light, and system default. Choose dark to force night mode or system to match your phone. Toggle the switch or select the radio button, then watch the UI convert. This step matters because dark mode reduces glare and can save battery on OLED screens. Once set, test by opening a restaurant page to confirm contrast and text. You've applied dark mode. Now confirm it across the app by browsing a couple of restaurant pages and the home feed to ensure consistent appearance. If parts remain light, force close Zomato and reopen, since some themes need an app restart. If that fails, clear the app cache or update the app, and make sure your phone system dark mode isn't overriding app-level choices. Troubleshooting tip: reinstall Zomato only after cache and update fixes don't work. This often resolves persistent theme conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.